imstylewigs sent me 5 wigs. My arms are full of hair. They feel nice to hug. I thought it would be kind of fun to try them all on and do a wig haul because I've never done any kind of haul, I don't think. First, I have to put on this beautiful hat. I don't have to braid my hair or anything because I have such a small amount of hair that you can't even tell it's under there. I don't know which one to try first. I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna pick one. This one. Who do we have here? She's long and luscious. I love the money pieces. I did a bit of a rushed job cutting off the lace. I messed up the makeup on my forehead, but look at how cute this wig is. I had this color of hair when I was in high school. It was a very popular box dye color. Actually, I've also had this color, this peachy color. I love this. I love the length. I'm not gonna pluck any of the hairs in the front or the part for this video because I'm just trying them on. I like this one. I think we're off to a strong start. Let's try another one. I love the color of this wig. I definitely need to adjust the hairline on this one, but how cute is the color? I love yellow blonde. I kind of want to go blonde again. I think I like it better this way. It's so soft. I always feel like I have to mess wigs up a little bit. Like, I think that looks much better. Do you agree? Or is it just me? I can give myself a smaller forehead by pulling this down a little bit. It needs a little bit of fine tuning, but I still love it. It's really making me want to bleach my hair, and I was really trying hard not to. Wig number 3 coming up. This one makes me really, really miss my hair. I really love this one and the first one, the red one, because a center part is my comfort parting. Color and the style combined kind of make me feel like a country music singer. Not my genre, just FYI. These wigs are gonna make me dye my hair. I feel like this is a really flattering blonde. This wig reminds me of my mom. I love my mom. So I love the wig too. These are so soft. They feel like hair. I feel like this looks like me. Like this looks like it grew out of my head. I was trying to think of some country music to sing, and this is literally all I can come up with. Marianne and Wanda were the best of friends all through their high school days. You're welcome. I want to keep this one on. I decided to save these last 2 for last because they're the most dramatic. Goodbye. Let's name it Earl. Goodbye, Earl. This next one is the wildest. Are you ready? Wow. I have had my hair every color under the sun, but I have never had this combination at once. I feel like a superhero. You can't even tell that I'm wearing a wig with this one. This cut and style is so fun too. This wig for sure is getting a makeup look. What kind of makeup should I do? It's happening again. Now I want to dye my hair green or blue or orange. This is dangerous. I wish I could get my hair to look like this. Does anyone like their own hair? If you do, I'm envious. We've almost got like a Marilyn hair happening, but wild colors. This is who I am now. It's weird that wigs are like hats, hair hats. Here I am. I have a sneaking suspicion that this one might be my favorite. I feel like I need to put on a different shirt because the hair is camouflaged into my black t-shirt. I know I said I've had every hair color, but I've never dyed my hair black. I've been too afraid, and that's probably why I love it so much. I am so happy to have a nice black wig to do some kind of spooky makeup looks. Not that black hair is spooky. You know what I mean. Do I look like Laura Prepon? I would be too powerful with black hair. I don't actually believe that. Should I dye my hair black? Yes or no? No, I shouldn't. It's hard to come back from, isn't it? But I really like it. I need darker eyebrows for this one. I don't know if I can pick one. I really like them all. Maybe this one. I don't know. I went ahead and took my shirt off for a photo. I'm not naked. I do have a shirt on, but here you can see the hair. It's very long. This one does kind of feel like me. They all kind of did though. I don't know who I am. It's time to vote. Yes, I'm putting them all on again. I should have done this just when I had the wigs on the first time, but he didn't. Wig number 1. Wig number 2. Earl. Wig number 3. A wig number 4. Or wig number 5. Or maybe you just like the wig cap. You can choose wig cap if that's what feels right. I don't know which one is my favorite. I need to know your favorite before I can pick my favorite. I'm only an elected official. I can't make decisions by myself. That was fun. Thank you guys for being an excuse to play dress up. There's no way that I would sit in my basement trying on wigs if I didn't have you guys. I will, of course, link all of these wigs in the description. Not affiliate links. I'm not gonna make any money if you buy a wig. Unfortunately, tell me all of the makeup looks that you want to see with these wigs so I can steal them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Probably wearing one of these wigs.